All right, well, hey, so we are at the end. This is week number 8, my last one of these little talks for you. Um, so you have a lot on your plate this week, so I'll keep it short. And depending on when in the week you are watching this, you've either submitted your presentation or preparing to do so. But regardless, just know that the point of this last week, between the presentation, the responses, and then your final paper, it really is a culmination of all that we've worked on over these past 8 weeks. And so the expectation is that you really draw it all in. That critical thinking, the use of references, proper documentation and references using that APA style. And so you're really tying it all together and using what we've worked on and what we've developed. So with that in mind, I guess want to say thank you. This has been an enjoyable experience for me. I hope it has for you as well. I hope you have learned a thing or two. More than anything, the purpose of this initial class in the MPH program is to give you some insight into what public health is about, and hopefully give you some confidence that this is the place for you to be. Public health is a fantastic field, as I said in the very beginning. And part of what makes it so great is that it is so diverse in terms of the population that it brings in, but also the interests and what you're really passionate about and how you can go forward in this work both now and as you go throughout your career. So I hope you've enjoyed this experience. I guess I'd say going forward, my best advice would be that, as you go through the curriculum, you're going to hit on a bunch of different topics, epidemiology, quantitative methods, so statistics, qualitative, and other things. And some things will trip you up more than others. Statistics is probably the one that gets most people the most trouble. And I guess I would say that as you're going through this and you inevitably get to those struggles, just remember it's all necessary. This is all necessary for you to develop the skills that you need to be a public health professional and to really be a leader. Ultimately you want your voice to be heard, and you want the work that you do to really make a difference in the lives of the people that you're trying to serve. And so these skills and developing them and continuing to develop them is absolutely necessary. After I get done doing this, I'm going to be working on some project, working on developing my own statistical methodology skills. It never stops. You never stop learning. You never stop trying to learn new things. And so, take advantage of this opportunity to really, you're in a good program. You're with a lot of your fellow students and also the professors at St. Ambrose who do a fantastic job of giving you, the skills that you need. But also, as you get, in schoolwork, these are 8-week sessions. It goes fast. It's really intense. But I ask you, never lose sight of the passion and the fire that burns within you that got you into this work in the first place. This is a marvelous field. There's a lot to learn, but it's all about people. And it's all about you and what brought you here in the first place. And as long as you never lose sight of that and the importance and in the work and the belief that is important, that is going to help carry you through. All right, so thank you. The best of luck to each and every one of you. I've enjoyed reading all your work, and I hope you have as well. And stay in touch with one another as you go forward. I know some of you will be continuing full time or going part time or going different speeds, but stay in touch with one another. I think it'll help you. And going forward, this is in all likelihood the only class that you'll have from me, unless I need to fill in for somebody in some session. But feel free to reach out to me. If you have questions or you just need someone to bounce ideas off of, or you just want to have a chat, I'm available. So you can send me an email and we can set something up. So with that, thank you. I have really enjoyed this experience. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and be well.